Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafisa Quratul Aini with ID number 22110106010. Here, I will use the communicative language teaching CLT approach with task-based project. CLT focuses on real communication and real fun project to help students understand and use English effectively. So, let's how this lesson is applied in the classroom. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good too. Welcome to Today English class. So today we will learn about three contexts. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, does anyone know what the context? No, miss. Recontext is the text that recount event in the past and usually consists of three parts: orientation, sense of event, and reorientation. Okay, let's get started. First, let's discuss the structure of recontext. Recontext usually has three main parts. First is orientation. The orientation gives the background of the story. Then, the series of event. The series of event tells the event that happened in time sequence. Lastly, the orientation provides closer of reflection on the event. Now, let's look at this recontext. I will read it first and we will discuss together, okay? Okay, the title is My First Day of School. Orientation. Last year, I started my first day at new school. I was very nervous but also excited. My parents dropped me off and I walked into the big building alone. Sense of event. When I entered the classroom, the teacher, Mrs. Curl, greeted me with a smile. She introduced me to the class and I found a seat next to a friendly girl named Sarah. We talked a little before the lesson started. During the first lesson, we learned about math, which is my favorite subject. At Riches, Sarah showed me around the school. We played around on the swings and talked about our favorite books. After Riches, we had art class, where we painted pictures. I painted a picture of my old house and shared it with the class. Everyone liked it and I felt happy. And last orientation, by the end of the day, I had made new friends and feel more comfortable at my new school. I couldn't wait to tell about my wonderful first day. Okay, does anyone have question about the text we just read? No, miss. Now, let's discuss some question about this text. Okay, who can explain who is involved in this story? Okay? Mimi is the main character in this story is a boy who started his first day at a new school. Oh, very good. What happened during his day? Mimi's he met his teacher, met a new friend, and had lesson in math and art. Exactly. How the main character feel about the experience? Mimi's he felt nervous at first but ended up feeling happy and excited. Good. Now, let's move on to our project. For our project-based assignment today, you will be creating a retelling text about your personal experience. You can choose any experience such as vacation, special event, or daily activities. Don't forget, your retelling text consists of three parts: Orientation, series of event, and reorientation. You have 10 minutes to plan and write a draft of your recon text. After that, we will discuss and revise it together. Yes, Miss. Alright, now which one of you would like to read out the result? I am, Miss, I am. Okay, Rina. Okay, Miss. Last year, I turned 13 years old. I was born and raised up in Surabaya. Now, I live in Yogyakarta with my grandparents. I went to Yogyakarta by train. Before I came to the train station, I didn't know how to check in. All the procedures were very new to me. Luckily, a security guard helped me and gave me some instruction to check in. After that, I got the train and sat on the seat. I listened to the song and I really enjoyed being on the train. After 5 hours on the train, I finally arrived in Yogyakarta. I will start my new life in Yogyakarta. I was excited to start my new adventure in a new city. Done, Miss. Thank you, Rina. Your story was very interesting. Does anyone have any comments or suggestion for Rina? No, Miss. If no one's give comments, can I give a feedback? So, Rina's story was very good, but don't forget that the recount text must also be given a title to make it more interesting. Then, in the orientation, you can add how you felt when you move, and the series of event you can also add what scenery you saw on the trip or the atmosphere on the train. And finally, in the reorientation section, you can explain how do you feel about leaving Surabaya and moving to Yogyakarta. Is there hope or worry? So that the recount text become more interesting to read and listen to. Does anyone want to ask a question or read your text? Miss, so we can tell everything that happened and how we feel, right? That's right. In recon text, we tell about event that happens in the past and how we feel about them. We want the reader to understand the feel what we experience, so it is important to add the details and reflection about how we felt during and after the event. This will make your story more interesting and meaningful to the reader. Does anyone have any more question? No, Miss. Then, for an extra assignment, I want you to improve your context and add more details and submit in the next class. Thank you for your hard work and see you in the next class. Okay, before we close our class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, see you next time, guys. Thank you, Miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, Miss. In this video, we have seen how the communicative language teaching CLT approach is implemented in the classroom using a task-based project. The teachers start the lesson by introducing the recount text, discussing the structure and key parts of the text. Students are then given the task of creating their own recount text based on their personal experience through discussion, reading, and feedback. Students learn how to write a good recount text by adding details and reflection about their feelings. This learning process not only helps students understand the concept of recount text but also encourages them to communicate effectively in English. Thank you. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.